So what we have here are the new boots for this beast. Picked these up last night. It's funny to see the difference between the 4Runner wheel and tire setup and the winter setup for my old BMW 330i. Big difference. Big difference. Okay, so here she is. Got the wheels on. Oops, wrong way. Got the wheels on. I like the way it looks. The black steelies. That's just me though. I'm weird like that. One thing I don't like though is the previous owner of the wheel said he used the stock lug nuts, and it doesn't seem right to me, so I'm buying new lug nuts. I'm just waiting for my wife to get home, use her car, go get the lug nuts, come back and put them on. Better to be safe than sorry, I think. So there we go. I got a good deal on these. Had to go to Canada to get them, but deal's a deal, right? Here we are. This is probably the most expensive upgrade so far, but I'm sure there's more to come, so stay tuned.